Yo guys, it's Badger here. Today we have a look at another hoverboard, again this time in a short video, in a quick and not unboxing. We're just gonna focus on the main things. Got some nice grip here for your feet, which is decent. We got some nice chromish pink going on, black reels. They come with some lighting, you will see that in a second here. And all in all, yeah, pretty nicely made. Gotta definitely love the metallic look that it has. Then on the side here, we got the power button and the charging input on that side here, which is covered with this little knob, so no um, wetness comes in there. And yeah, all you gotta do is turn that thing on. As you can see, it has the built-in speakers. So we're gonna do that for now, turn that thing on. Then we have a little battery symbol showing us how much it's charged up for. And yeah, then it's just setting up, and I will try and show you how that looks when you are driving. It's pretty easy. Even if I'm recording, I can do that. And as you see, now we're already on here. And now let's get going and explore a little bit the apartment. And you can see while I'm recording, I'm still capable of driving around. Just turned the light on while I was passing the light switch, so that is also not too hard to do. And we just are turning around, going backwards because there's some in our way. And yeah, it's simple as that. It's quite a bit of fun, gotta admit that. Can get some speed going as well. Probably not gonna do that in here though, but you get the point. And yeah, just ride along. Takes really just a few minutes to get the whole of this thing. You can even go backwards. And yeah, just don't panic when you're starting driving or riding. Then the whole thing gets more complicated and should be, but otherwise pretty straightforward and quite a bit of fun, and definitely, yeah, something to check out and to enjoy. Let me put it that way. So yeah, I think we can call it a day. And until the next time, you guys, my name is Badger. Take care, and I will see you around in the next video. Until then, bye bye.